Hi, I'm Deb from Manitowoc Tool Manufacturing, and we're looking for you to work with us. Well, we have several jobs available. First of all, we have press operators, so you can learn how to operate a stamping press or a brake press, punch press. We also have a tool and die shop where you can learn to build tools and dies. So we will train entry-level positions.
We are big on training. We try to make sure that everybody knows exactly what they need for the job that they are doing.
People come here for both jobs and careers.
I've been here 13 years. I like it. I like it. A lot of nice people.
It's a growing company with a lot of changes happening. There's a lot of new equipment coming in the building. We have an addition going on right now.
People think that manufacturing is a dirty job, but it's not. At Manitowoc Tool Manufacturing, the environment is very clean, well-lit, and safe. We have an excellent safety record. Not only that, it is climate controlled, so it's sunny and 68 every day.
It's very comfortable for working.
The whole place is completely air conditioned.
Manufacturing just offers way much more than working in a retail store.
I actually prefer here over retail. I'm producing something.
Well, this is a family-owned business, locally owned and operated, and really, it is like a large family here. You're not just a number here. We offer competitive pay and benefits.
The owner is very nice to his employees.
Well, a lot of people think that manufacturing's not for them, but you know what? Let me give you a tour. I'll show you what it's all about.
I highly recommend you coming here.
All around a great place to work.
I recommend that you check it out. Come take a tour.
Come and work at Manitowoc Tool Manufacturing.